In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move bullet points left or right in Google Docs. If you're working on a list and want to change the indentation of certain bullet points, Google Docs makes this very quick and easy. Moving bullets to the right helps create subpoints under a main idea, while moving them to the left brings them back to a higher level in your outline. This is especially useful when you're organizing notes, making checklists, or building a clean document structure. To get started, open your Google Doc. Make sure you're in the document where your bulleted list already exists, or where you want to adjust the placement of your bullets. Once you're there, look through the list and decide which bullet points you want to reposition. Next, click and highlight the bullet points you want to move around. You can select a single bullet if you only need to adjust one item, or you can highlight multiple bullet points at the same time if you want to move a whole section together. Be careful to select exactly the lines you want, because the change will apply to everything you've highlighted. If you want to move the selected bullet points to the right, press the Tab key on your keyboard. As soon as you do that, those bullets will shift inward to the right. In most cases, this means they become a sub-bullet under the item above them. This is a simple way to create a nested list and make your document look more organized. If your list has several levels, pressing Tab can continue moving the bullet deeper into the hierarchy, depending on how your formatting is set up. If you want to move the bullet points back to the left, press Shift and Tab at the same time. This will reduce the indentation and move the selected bullets one level back. It's the fastest way to correct spacing if something has been indented too far, or if you want to turn a subpoint back into a main bullet. That's really all there is to it. Highlight the bullet points, press Tab to move them right, and press Shift plus Tab to move them left. If you're editing long outlines, this shortcut can save a lot of time compared to manually adjusting formatting. It also helps keep your lists neat and easy to read. Once you get used to these two keyboard shortcuts, organizing bullet points in Google Docs becomes much faster and more intuitive.